how to use Paysafecard to make purchases in Brawl Stars. It's a quick and secure way to buy those in-game gems and other goodies. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up Brawl Stars on your device and head to the shop. Here you'll see all the items and gems available for purchase. To make a purchase, you'll need to select the item you want. Once you've selected your item, you'll be prompted to choose a payment method. Here you'll want to select Paysafecard. Paysafecard is a prepaid online payment method that you can use without needing a bank account or credit card. Now you'll need to enter your Paysafecard PIN. This is the 16-digit code that you can purchase from a variety of retailers, both online and in physical stores. Once you have your PIN, enter it here and confirm your purchase. After you've confirmed your PIN, the payment will be processed and your gems will be added to your account immediately. It's that simple. And there you have it. You successfully used Paysafecard to make a purchase in Brawl Stars. Now you can enjoy all the extra gems and items you've bought. Thanks for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one.